We'll guide you through how to use opacity mask in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening Adobe Illustrator. Choose New File to open the preset selection window. Select your preferred preset size and click Create to open the artboard. Once the artboard is ready, import an image onto it. Open the File menu and choose Place. Browse your computer for the image you want to use, then place it onto the artboard. Adjust the image by resizing and repositioning it until it fits the artboard properly and is aligned the way you want. After the image has been added, select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Draw a rectangle that completely covers your image. Next, go to the Properties panel and select the Gradient tool. Enable the Gradient effect. Because you are creating an opacity mask, use a color that matches the artboard background. Adjust the gradient angle and intensity slightly by using the Gradient panel. Once you are satisfied with the gradient, cut the rectangle by pressing Ctrl+X. Then open the Transparency panel. Select your image and choose Make Mask. Click the black thumbnail in the Transparency panel. Then paste the rectangle by pressing Ctrl+V. The image will reappear with a transparent gradient effect. Open the Gradient panel again and fine-tune the gradient until it looks smooth and natural. Continue making small adjustments to the gradient angle and amount until the effect blends evenly across the image. Check that the faded area appears balanced across the artwork before deciding whether additional refinements are needed. You can change the looks by selecting the gradient style. Continue refining the appearance until you are satisfied with the final visual result and the background matches the exact effect you wanted to create for your project.